Guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your TuneIn radio app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, you click here on apps, and you come to apps list. And all you have to do, you just go down here. So you keep going down here when TuneIn radio show for you. So you go down here when it's going to show for you, you click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on force stop and you click on OK. So then you go down, you click here on storage, then you come to storage list. You just click here on clear cache, and you go to your Play Store. So I'm going to my Play Store. You click on it, you click on your Play Store, and you search for TuneIn radio. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, just click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.